Hello everybody, welcome back to my second channel. Today's day is the 22nd of February. It's Thursday. I'm sick, coming off of a cold. And oh, you know, it's just like 2 days from Disney World and I have a cold. Yay! I am vlogging for Disney World 2018 Disney Squad. Yes! Me and my church family, well, my family and my church family are all going to Disney World. They surprised us with a trip and I'm so thankful and I love them more than my mouth can say, to the moon and back and everything. They surprised us with the trip and it's only 2 days away and I'm super duper excited. I'm so excited for Disney. I hope you guys are excited for the vlogs though, and I will try my best to actually vlog and get footage for you guys. I hope it's not too cringy or anything. I will see you guys in the next update or whatever I'm doing next that is vlog worthy. Can I be in your vlog? Yeah, in the vlog. Hi guys! Today, we are leaving for Disney World. Today is Sunday the 25th, and we're just finishing up packing and stuff before we go to church. And then the entire church family is gonna go. We're gonna get on the train and then we're gonna leave. So this is the setup that we have right now. Alright, I think I'm done here. Okay. Guys!
Wait.
Guys! Today is Monday. We're on the train. We had a long night of just laying around and kind of sleeping, but not really sleeping. It wasn't that bad. I actually got a couple hours of sleep, but we're in Florida now, and hit her head again. It's so pretty outside. There's Spanish moss everywhere and it's so pretty and I love it so stinking much, and the sun's out. Ah! But yeah. Okay, bye. Put all of our baggage and stuff into the rooms. Now we're about to go catch a bus, but first we gotta use the bathroom. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a couple minutes.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Matata.
Today has been a very crazy, hectic day. We're eating dinner right now at Boma, which was delicious, but we went on Everest and we went on the dinosaur ride, and they were so fun, and I forgot to vlog a lot of it because, well, just because. I don't know what we're doing next, but it's gonna be fun. Hi guys! It's nighttime already, which is crazy that this entire day has gone by already. I'm so tired. We walked around forever. It's day one. It's time to take a bath, go to bed. But we're going to be our guest as our breakfast reservations for tomorrow morning. So I'm really excited, so blessed, so thankful that we are able to even be here right now, and it's really amazing. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Sleep well if it's nighttime. I don't know. I'm really tired. Bye guys, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in either a couple seconds or never if this doesn't make it on the vlog. I have no clue, so bye. Oh my goodness, these things are so good.